What's up, guys? I'm out here just riding a little off-road today. See how she goes, eh? Got my mic set up, hopefully. Seems like it's working. It's 50 degrees in Wisconsin right now. It's crazy. Come on, baby. Squirrel. But yeah, this is my little fun trail. Usually I'm out here on a four-wheeler. But figured I'd bring the bike out here, because why not? Come on. There we go. Whew. There's a trail down here. See if we can get on it. Ooh, it's pretty steep. This is pretty impressive. These knob tires really help. But in the spring I'll probably have to, well, once it gets more spring, probably have to change them out. Coming down to the river now. Ice is way too thin to ride on. But let's go check the river out. Yo. So this is the Black River. Yeah, this shit is not sturdy. Oh, I'm gonna go show you guys something neat. It's way over here. There's a hunting shack there. And what I'm trying to find is along here somewhere too. I don't remember it being this far down though. I feel like I missed it. Oh yeah, it's right up here. Here it is. It's a 1935 Oldsmobile. Just crashed here. It's pretty messed up. But it's still pretty cool. It's got a bunch of those are, here's bullet hole, bullet hole, bullet hole, bullet hole. I don't know, to me they look 25 caliber-ish. Obviously this thing had a bit of an accident and came down this hill. So it came to rest against this tree here. A lot of thorns. Door. So yeah, 1935 Oldsmobile. There you go. Something you don't see every day. I mean, it's thrashed beyond recognition, but whew, still cool.
What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, 'cause you did.
It's in gear still. That's why. Choke it. Fuck, bent the shit out of my brake lever. Here's some compression. That was a big wheelie for me.